Good afternoon, class. My name is Carlos Flores. Today I'm introducing a brand new magazine that is going to be called The New Earth. This new magazine is a project that I have been contemplating for a long time, and I finally get a chance to put it under production. This is an example of what the magazine can look like, and of course that would be the first page. As you can see, I have aspects of the Earth, and I have a shot of the sun, and it's sort of an idea about what the magazine's front cover, for example, will look like. The scope of this magazine is to create a successful magazine supported by subscribers and, of course, advertisers. Without their money, there's nothing we can do. I want to focus on adopting better systems to provide inexhaustible sources of energy for the whole entire planet. I can justify the magazine by providing a viable alternative to non-renewable resources for Earth. And the magazine is comprised of an all-in-one source. It's a comprehensive. It includes many sources that are not currently found in one single magazine. So it's very informative. Some of the content of the magazine will include typical articles like, for example, designing the solar grid, the day the Earth did not stand still, burn the trash, not the trees, harvesting kilowatts for a living, and some others. One of the main objectives of the magazine is to reach a mass audience, 18 years and older, all different ages. So it's really a mass media magazine. We're looking to print 10,000 copies to be placed on newsstands, supermarkets, and other outlets, brick and mortar stores. We expect to get at least 5,000 subscribers by the first 3 months, and we're going to offer the magazine at $5.95 per issue, with a reduced price for subscriptions, either on print or online, and that would cost only $3.95. So that's a $2 savings. We're seeking primary major advertising from companies like the Ford Motor Company, Toyota, Tesla, Siemens, and 3M. Our secondary sources would include Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, SpaceX, Boeing, Conagra, agricultural products, Coca-Cola Company. We want to be versatile in the type of advertisements that we provide in the magazine. Now, for the first couple of years, our budget is going to be tight, but this is our 2-year operating budget. We're going to need operating costs monies for of at least 1.1 million. Advertising revenue will help us with that, with 0.6 million, and our sales and newsstands and subscriptions will be $500,000. So we should be, in a good place. Class, I appreciate the opportunity to present to you my new magazine, which is The New Earth, and hopefully you'll subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.